Good morning, my friend. Good morning, good morning. So early again. You having dinner, huh? Hey, can see me or not? Oh, you cannot see me. Wait, I forget to turn on the light. No wonder I was thinking, why so dark? Okay. Turn on the light layout. Okay, let's go. Did I turn on all the lights? Yes, I turn on all the lights. Okay, today we maybe have some setups. Uh, I'm actually looking at a few. Let me scan through again. AMD, definitely, huh? Then what else? Can AVGO, sure. Okay, what you want to know about AVGO? Still going up, very, very strong. Really, really strong. So nice. You always eat dinner, then you come. How come you go home so late though? Oh, because you go to gym. Okay, I remember you go to gym. Oh, you're thinking how to draw? Can look at my chart. So this one is actually not bad because the deviation, right, is not very, very far for the trend line. So you can actually keep this. But when momentum over here, right, let's say momentum for this area starts to slow down a little bit, you will need to shift your trend line. Okay? But so far, this is still very, very good. Yeah, I remember you like to go to gym. Okay, so far for AVGO, no trade lah. That time we missed this over here and that's it already. I think today I might start to do some position trades for the China stocks. Then, yup, looks like not bad some of it. Let me see here. HIMS HIMS looks good. This one looks good. Not bad. This one can keep on your watch list. I like it. Yeah, definitely something to look for buy. Not bad. This one can look for buy. Okay, criteria fulfilled. Uh, let's see another one. Daily. Yeah, daily. I'm not very confident for this trade. I would rather wait for a while. Yep, we came into the zone but then didn't respect, so this one can more or less delete. Yeah, this trade, right, I think I will give it a few more days before I decide whether I want to take or not. Yeah, for now, no direction for me. Okay? Okay, today we need to hunt for some trades already. My friends. Market is good though, huh? With all the tariff and everything, like not much of an impact. This is really good. No, when the bad news cannot push the market even lower, that's like the best news already. Finally got your margin. Okay, nice. Roderick, nice. Shiro, okay, your name is called Shiro, I think. Yeah, margin account is good. Really. Margin account is damn good. Don't be afraid, really. You will come a time, it will come a time, Roderick, where you start to see me shorting the market like crazy. Then after you see a lot of people panicking, then you ask, what happened? Then you will see me keep shorting and shorting. Okay, there will come a time where your margin account is so useful. You tell yourself, thank God I have a margin account. When the market tank, I can make money. Okay. I think you changed your name, is it? Previously, I think you wrote your name Shiro or something. Now you changed to Shiro. Nice. So now I don't think that you are a girl anymore. Okay, 100% for sure. I think the China stocks, we can do some position trades today. Let me see what else we have. How come? Recently, why my computer so super laggy again? Huh? I never change any settings. I don't think I changed any though. Fastly down. OXY nothing. All the oil stocks got nothing left. All the oil stocks are wasting time right now. UNH. Okay, nothing here. Our Visa, huh? Okay, Roderick. The Visa is not looking great, huh? Yeah, Roderick, whenever you have time, go and watch the video, okay? After you understand alert wave, you will start to understand why I think that Visa is a little bit risky. That's why I shift my stop loss a little bit higher. You know, if I get taken out, then so be it. What else do we have? You watch so late, you got energy or not? Yeah, today I also did one. I did two videos. I think I did. One I teach you how to pick how to understand right when you will reach a top, and then when you actually reach a bottom. So combination of everything, the probability of identify a top and bottom is quite high. Then after the other one, I will teach you. Then what video did I do, okay, I teach you how to identify a start of a trend super earlier, much more earlier than what you have learned from the very, very first strategy. Okay? Hello, Richard. Nice to see you again. Yes, Roderick. Okay, the first strategy, right? I will rewatch again. I think I need to make some amendments because that was the very, very, very first time that I, do a course, and I think that I might not have done so well in certain parts. So after I finish, the alert wave part, because alert wave, after you learn the first strategy, alert wave is easy. Okay, it will be easy, but then there's a lot of things to cover also. Yeah, because that's just based on alert wave, this topic alone, you are going to learn a lot of things, really a lot of things. You can identify top and bottoms, you know when to go in, you can see a start of a trend much more earlier. Yeah, it's quite amazing that kind. I show you a lot of examples here and there, then after you go and test it out yourself. That's why I love it so much. I love alert wave so much. It's the best thing ever. The initial part may be a bit dry I think because I teach you how to read certain, corrective structures and everything is towards the back part where we start to use, different indicators and everything. Then that's when it starts to get a bit more interesting. Okay, I think today really is the China stocks. I have been, looking through my watch list. Like nothing much, Huh? Then definitely, Roderick, your AMD looks really, really good. Something that I will consider tonight. Then what else? These are all the newer one that I add into my watch list. BBAI also nothing. Okay, BBAI. Yeah, this one broke out. Yeah, after market hours. Then CoreWeave. Yeah, CoreWeave is really not bad. Something that I will, keep on my watch list. How come my alarm is not there? That's weird though. Yeah, Roderick, right now you look at CoreWeave, you already know more or less this one is a good trade, right? Okay, PDD, one moment, PDD. Let's see. Yuan can market open already, Why went up so much? PDD actually okay. I like it. I like PDD. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, but I think I will take it as a position trade. Then after that, Uh, yeah, likely a position trade, I guess. It went a little bit too far for my liking. Call with, call with. So you look at this. I think you understand already, huh? You look at this, you already we even with the first strategy, you already understand this is like a good setup. You see, you haven't touched on elevate, I haven't touched yet. The moment you touch, things seriously change even more. Yeah, these are the types of trades when you take the probability is extremely high that kind. Slow, oh, okay, PDD. Snow like not bad also, huh? Snow. Let's see. Snow, Snow I don't have a setup. Really no setup for me. This one, yes, I know it broke out of the structure and everything, but I really got no setup. It's a bit gone for me already. The last time we were talking about here, remember, Road Derek, we were talking about snow at this area, but then we didn't take the trade. I also don't know what we went to took lah, huh? But then this was the period of the time. Everything that I don't choose go a lot, okay? It went a lot. The one that I choose doesn't move. My God. Yeah, sometimes luck play a little bit of part, but I don't really believe in that. Futu. Okay, the China stocks are good, huh? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Futu is nice. Usually I like Futu, I like Baba. How about Baba? Baba got anything for me to take or not? Okay lah, I think I will do a position trade for Baba. So I just place the stop here. Uh, Let me see again. Okay lah, Baba criteria all fulfilled liao. Baba can take. I pressed wrongly. Let's see. Okay, this one not bad. Okay, I will take this myself also. One moment. Okay, done. Okay, one moment, Shiro, one moment. I think I need to do some position management, is it? Let me see. Anything that I need to manage or not today? Okay, I will set an alarm for Amazon first. In case anything happen, I want to exit all my Amazon. Amazon. Oh, I managed already. I put at 221. 221 is here. Okay. Still not too bad. How about Google? Google, okay. Nothing much. Disney, Disney. Disney is fine. Meta. Meta is fine also. Okay, can. No worries. Thoughts on APLD. APLD. Okay. 100% for me, no setup for this APLD. Yep. Yep, anything right now is risky. I can't really tell where is it going though. Looks like more downside for me. This stock looks like more downside. Then RXRX. Quickly. Okay, this stock also quite high risk, but possible if you want, you can try to long or something if you have if you have a setup for this, you can try to long. This one looks like, at least for a small swing trade, I think still okay. Maybe breaking above this high over here. MRK. Daily. Hey, MRK, I think this was on my watch list for a while, right? Oh. MRK. I will definitely wait for a confirmation over at this area. Then after that, something that I will look to buy. Yep, definitely looking to buy for this trade. Yeah, buying I think is better for this trade, but I need a confirmation. No confirmation, no buy. Okay. Then what else? Is the market doing okay or not? Okay, this one looks like possible we might go into a larger pullback, but I'm not too sure as of right now. I will just set alarm for SPY. I will set somewhere here. Okay, just now there was some China stocks that we can look at, right? What is it, huh? Okay, Jerry, thanks for the follow. Thank you, thank you. I do know. Baba, okay, lo. I will try for that trade. To JD. Okay, let me see the 4 hours for JD. Raymond, I also don't know why got Indian song. Okay, we change, huh? Because this one are all the non-copyrighted, songs, and then I just let it shuffle, and it will, it will, it will change to whatever playlist that it wants to change to. Because live streaming, you cannot use copyrighted songs. You use, you'll get banned though. Okay, I go to Sophie later on because I'm actually quite interested in all the China stocks. Yeah, then after that, I want to send it inside the group. Okay, I will come back and visit shortly. SMH, nothing. Sophia. Sophie looks quite bullish. Sophie, it doesn't look quite bullish. It's super bullish. Rocket like that. This one doesn't look quite bullish, bro. That looks super bullish. From yesterday close until today, it went up. It went up 7.4%, bro. Super duper bullish. Anything, the small and mid cap stocks, they are strong, huh? Let me see. IWM. IWM okay lah. Only that few lah. I think only that few that move very, very strong. BT. What is BT? Okay. Oh, don't going lah. Went up way too much, my friend. Yep, no setup for me. But then if you're in the longs, nice. Okay. Richard, you mean by what I bought today, is it? Okay, I want to take a... Okay, SPY, we need to continuously monitor for a short while. And then we see what it does. Okay, Tesla, something to short. Nvidia also coming back down a little bit. Okay, I want to look at my long-term investment for Nvidia. When was the last time I booked profit for it? I booked at 156. 156. Not too far away. Then... Oh, Ellie, I entered Baba already. DAL, I think if you took... Oh, nice. DAL also going now. Nice. Yeah, possible. This one good trade. It looks like a good trade also. Hello, Random. Nice to see you again. Yeah, DAL going, then I think UAL will also go together. Okay, nice. Currently, I also don't have much margin left though. I can only open maybe max one more position. Not too sure how come recently my margin being eat up so fast. Intel, I also have a long-term investment. Intel. But then this long-term investment, I think you need to wait 2 years or so. You need the new CEO, to make a lot of changes to the company, bring that company to another level. Yep. So I'm in profit for my long-term investment, but it takes so long though. It took so long to move. I entered way back then in April. So right now, it's only in slight profit. A bit disappointing, But then I think you have to hold. If you are, if you believe in Intel, you need to hold for maybe a year or two. Target by 2025. You mean Intel target? I think a realistic one maybe coming to a trend line, maybe near to $40. Yeah, you need to, monitor this company for a while and see, whether the new CEO, how he's going to bring the company to the next level. If it's good, definitely we'll see Intel going up by a lot. But then if not, I think likely maybe end of this year or something, I will exit already. Yeah, because all my long-term investment, Intel is the worst in my portfolio. It's positive, but the worst. I think moved at less than 10%. Onyx. Okay, Onyx. If I were you, I will skip this for a while. I will skip this stock. Normally, those newly IPO stocks, I don't really like it. After IPO, after it spike up already, spike up over here, right? Usually, this consolidation will last quite long. So I don't really like this trade. All I can advise is that, if you understand the company, go ahead. But for me, because I don't, right, I only look at the technical parts. For me, the first thing, skip. How Apple? Don't never drop a lot lah. This one healthy pullback, okay? Don't kanchong, relax. Healthy pullback in the market, okay? Market cannot go up forever in the straight line. You need to have some pullback. Don't kanchong, guys, relax. ใจเย็น I'm still in Apple. Yes, I'm still in Apple. So okay, just let it go. What else do I get today? Let's see. Computer super laggy. Really super laggy. Okay, Intel. What price did I buy Intel at? I buy at $20. $20. I remember it was around here. Yeah lah, this one give me like Intel only move 11%. So little though. Andra going up on circuit breaker. Guys. Huh? What is checkout Andra? What is Andra? Andra. Oh, the stock is it? Andra. Oh, NDRA. NDRA. Going on circuit breaker, huh? 哎呦 go 了咯 Braveheart, you're in this stock, is it? Fly แล้ว No opportunity for us anymore. Gone แล้ว Went too far already. But okay lah, if you entered, okay, this stock don't have to wait for too long. About 1.5 months if you're in it. 1.5 months later, it starts to fire off. Not too bad. Now circuit breaker. You want to enter? Thinking. Okay, understood. Any alarm triggered or not today? Okay. HIMS and MRK got triggered. HIMS and MRK. Yup, I will still wait for a little bit more for MRK. Just now was one more HIMS. Okay, HIMS looks like it's breaking out as of right now. But for me, I think I will choose some other instrument instead because I don't have much margin left. Yep, this one need to wait. What else? Let me see. Okay, CYBL got triggered. Why is that so? Okay, this stock, if you're, yeah, $500 or something for you to consider to buy, okay? Can do a very small risk. And then, yeah, might be breaking out already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not bad. Okay, Braveheart, if you talk about the NDRA, right? I don't think so lah. Because it's going up already. I like to wait for pullback before I start buying. And then, okay, IROH. Okay, IROH, Okay, I want to write this somewhere. Yeah, this stock, right? This CYBL is something I think on the high risk side because it's a penny stock. So if you were to buy or what, just use a cash account, buy for $500 or something, and then you see whether it will start to fire off or not. Wait, let me write this down. Yeah, maybe I'll give it a shot, huh? I go and buy this a little bit. This one I will use my cash account to buy. Wow, I don't even know how many can I buy. The number is so small though. I have never ever bought a stock that I can buy for 900,000 shares. It's crazy, man. Okay, I bought a very, very small amount and then just try. This one is like try luck, that kind, okay? This one is like a gamble. So you guys, just use, if you want, just use a cash account. And this is something like, normally I don't recommend. But then for me, I just try for fun. Okay, and this type of stock you have when you buy it, you need to have the heart to tell yourself that someday this company might suddenly disappear, then all your money is gone. Yes, Louis, pure gambling on this, so I will not send it inside the group. Okay. Wrote the rate. I just use a cash account. My cash account, I buy $2,000 worth of it, near to $2,000. Then after that, uh, I also place a stop loss. Then, in the event if really not performing well, then I take the full loss or what to do, right? Okay, everything can try for fun, as long as you understand the risk. But of course, don't you buy liao, don't backhold it forever lah. I also want to take the loss. In the event if really doesn't go, maybe drop by 50% or something, I close it out liao. If I become billionaire, remember Braveheart. Can the stock if can go to $100, wow, the gain is yesterday. I think I calculated it. It was about 4 or 5 million though. Pure gamble, this penny stock. Yes, pure gamble. And I think I missed some comments. Is it? How come like? I remember just now I saw a little bit and then suddenly gone now. Yeah, this okay, Mara. Okay, can. This IROH, right? Currently also no setup for me. After this huge spike, like gone now, like no momentum anymore. Okay, MRNA. Yeah, Roderick, that one is a gamble. Oh, Moderna. Moderna earnings coming, is it? No, right? Oh, really? End of the month got earnings. I think if you're in the long for Moderna, as a swing trade, I think it's fine. Looks okay right now. It's pretty strong though. It looks good. MU. Let's see. Marshall. I use Momo and Interactive Broker. Momo for trading, Interactive Broker for long-term investment. So Momo is a margin account. Interactive Broker is a cash account. Can open. Momo can open for the CYBL. Can. MU, huh? Okay, why I stuck here? Yes, Brave Heart, I bought already. I bought $2,000 worth of it. But then I have a stop loss. If it drops to the 0.007, I'm out already. I just bought only. Just now when I was, maybe 1 or 2 minutes ago. Don't tell me fire off already, I'm going to become a millionaire, or billionaire already. Okay, MU. Daily. Okay, MU, I would say maybe wait for a little bit. Currently, I also don't have a setup for MU. Huh? Really? Now 0.1 now? Sure not. Aiyo, 富哟, go 了嘞. Nice. Okay, I'm going to become a billionaire soon because of CYBL. I bought here just now when it was somewhere inside here. I think 0.0092. I think so. Okay lah, not bad. Roderick, look at this, he understand already. What else? Huh? That's why I risk on this trade, right? Yeah, I bought $2,000 worth of it. Okay, inside my heart, right? This stock, CYBL, I'm okay. The company go bankrupt, I lose every single cent that, I put into the stock. So I'm fine with that. Because I don't know about the company, but then this is like a speculative stock for me. Which one? CYBL. Okay? Remember, you can go and take a look. Once you take a look, you also understand why I buy already. CYBL. Hey, Raymond, use cash, cash account, no margin account, Raymond. This one is speculative stock. This one like you go casino, that kind. Okay, I bought 2,000 USD, 2,000. It's very, very difficult for you to calculate because the shares is so small that when you calculate, you also like, how many should I buy? That type. So just be careful on that part. This is, I can tell you, it's pure speculative. How you find these stocks? Okay, I have one very good lady over here. She find all of it and then she recommended to me. So I'm here to leech, you know. Yeah, normally I don't trade all these penny stocks. Yes, brave heart. Normally I don't trade all these. So my portfolio is all the very, very safe stocks. They're all like the well-known names. They are the famous stocks, like your Nvidia, AMD, and everything. Oof. Okay, Oof, I think it was on my watch list for a while, but then I removed it. I forgotten why though. I used to have a scanner that also, you know, after that the scanner asked me to, look at this stock. Oof, I will wait for pullback lah before I go and take a trade on this. Yeah, I will definitely wait for a pullback. Right now, a little bit too late for me already. Okay, what else can we buy today? SONN. Okay, can one moment. Futuro. SONN. My god, another one. A lot of stock split. Yeah, for me, I will. Okay, Raymond, I know you need to. You use Momo, right? You need to, I think, call them or log in, online or something. You need to take something like a declaration or something. You need to read through some declaration or some acknowledgement form. Then after that, you can trade those penny stocks. Yeah, all the same. If whichever brokers that you go to, you need to do the declaration. I did a long time ago, so I can't really remember what's the content already. Okay, Roderick, I know. I'm also monitoring. Okay, so a little bit more. We'll definitely get in. I think you know how to calculate the stop loss already, right? Okay, Bitcoin is nice. For those that trade Bitcoins, something that you can, something that you can keep on your watch list is nice. I like it. I think potentially can go to about 120,000. MSTR still got that lawsuit news or not? Okay, we need to keep a lookout, see if today got any important news. No, today doesn't look like any important news. This coming Thursday, we have a FOMC meeting. Shouldn't be able to get in the trade today. Yeah, I don't know whether you can do the declaration on the spot or not. So, yeah, Raymond, you can try. If okay, I'm not too sure whether is it too late to get in. Yeah, but Raymond, remember, this one is like you go casino that kind, Okay, ALVV, nice to see you again. Hot, hot lah. Your RBLX flying to the moon. Okay, guys. Announcement time. If you all wants to join the course, right? Drop me a DM or just don't drop me a DM. Just WhatsApp me directly. Okay, my number is on my TikTok profile. Then I will send you some information. You can go and read through first. Okay, the discount, I think likely lah. It will only last until maybe this Friday only. So I think I'm actually flying on Friday. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 days more. Okay, and that's it, Leo. I think better don't I save my margin. Okay. Can. Is target valid bear flag? Target. Let me see. Target. Yes, Roderick. I think not bad. This one is more of a structure. When you go into the alert wave lessons, you learn that this is structure. Yes, delicious. I can scan through a chart very, very fast. One look, I know what I should do already. You give me any random chart, within 5 to 10 seconds, I know what to do already. Yeah, that's why I have specific rules and guidelines all that to guide me to take certain trades. So the moment I don't see my criteria there, right, sure I skip. Yeah, I can monitor a lot. I just use alarm, no. Use alarm and then once it triggered already, I go and see. Once it triggered, I go and see. This is what I do. Yeah, and I don't have multiple monitor. I don't split it into multiple monitor or anything. I just like to set alarms. Okay, I think Amazon, we secured our profit already. No, not there yet. Soon, we shift our stop loss all the way to 221. So if Amazon is coming down, we'll secure all our profits. Then after that, we wait for the next opportunity again. Amazon may break channel. Are you talking about this channel? Something like that? Yeah, for me, I still think likely there will be more upside. Yep, for Amazon, I do think that we have more upside. So far, I don't see Amazon, plunge all the way down here. Google also get out, huh? Can. Okay, I will go and update Google first lah. Yeah, so that's why, guys, it's always a good idea, to move your stop loss. So in the event things don't turn out well, you can actually get stop out with, secure your profits. Google, let me see. Yeah, I think Google triggered already. Okay, let me see my account whether I got triggered or not. Okay, mine also triggered. I will update the group. So Google out. 175. I think Amazon also coming soon, huh? Amazon. Yeah, Amazon, I think likely lah. We're also going to get out of this position now. So secure our profit first. Then after that, we free up our margin, go and buy some other things. Okay, I think I'm also out now. Can I update Amazon? Amazon 221. I think Amazon, our RR is quite high, right? Is it, huh? Let me see. Amazon, how much is our RR? Not bad. Got 1:3 at least. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, next. Okay, CRCI. CRCI. Right? Bro, is it CRCL? I think CRCL. Oh, circle. Okay. Yeah, circle for me currently, I still don't have a valid setup though. Yep, I don't have a valid setup. I can't tell whether it's going up or going down as of this current moment. Okay? Then AMLX, AMLX. Okay, AMLX, I think if you try to do any long trades, Tan, you're the one who asked. Okay, I think you know what to do. I think any long trades should be fine. No issue. Then looks quite good. I think that even coming to break this current high over here, right? Should be, xiu mantai. Not TP resistance, stop loss. Eh, not TP resistance, stop loss on likely reversal confirmation. Got volume, eh? Uh, Okay, delicious. What do you mean? Do you mean by Amazon? Because usually how I trade, I like to shift my stop loss higher and higher because I'm actually doing swing trades. Yeah, so uh, I don't need to guess when the market will reverse or anything. I just secure my profit first. Then after that, I will go and look for another opportunity to buy again. Yeah, so this is normally what I do because I don't want to be stuck in consolidation. What I want is that the moment the consolidation ends, then I start to enter. I want to have a huge move. This is always my ultimate goal. The consolidation is okay. I don't want to be inside. Tan, you still hold Amazon. I think it's okay lah. I think if you do like position trade, should be fine. But then for me, I do a swing trade if I'm not wrong. Yes, I did a swing trade for Amazon. 1:3 already the RR. So you risk maybe $100, you already make $300. So it's good enough for me. I hit my minimum target now. Okay, the Chinese Slim, Xiao Le Papa. Hi, nice to see you. Okay, Meta, maybe I want to do some position management also. Okay, Meta, I will get out. I don't think I want to hold on to it anymore. Uh, Yeah, I think I will get out of Meta first, guys. Right now the price 717.17. I'll close 100%. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah, my rule is usually two consecutive close below my MA, then I close. Okay, okay. Tan, the way because I use alert wave, right? So I look at wave structure, how it actually develops. So some wave structure, it tells me, very confident that it's going to go a certain direction. I would rather get out first. But of course, I don't know when it will top or bottom. I have a very, very good idea when it will top. But I like to, sometimes just shift my stop loss higher and higher. Someday, definitely you'll see one move like that. Definitely it will take you out. The moment it take me out, usually I can secure like 80% of the move, you know. Then after I wait again. I know what you mean. When the pricing getting tight, we might see some action. Pricing getting tight. For Amazon, is it? Pricing getting tight. Yeah, but I got out already. Yeah, for me, I like to read the wave structures and then from there I will take a trade. So currently I don't see anything in Amazon right now. I still think that Amazon possibly got one more leg here. Maybe to about 216.5 maybe. Then after from here maybe we'll get upside. I will get in again. I like Amazon. Okay, Amazon is my number 3 favorite. My number 1 is Nvidia, number 2 Palantir, number 3 Amazon. Tesla. Okay, guys. Very likely, I'm going to fly off this Friday already. Okay, then I won't be live streaming for about I think 1 week. So the next of whole week I might not be live streaming. Huh? Oh my god! How come this TikTok live send me some violation thing? Did I say something wrong? Yes, Tesla for me, I think is risky right now. Uh, I'm still waiting lah, that 250. When it comes to about 250, maybe I will decide whether I want to buy or not, Richard. I'm still waiting for that 250. As of right now, definitely I won't be buying. What happened to my life again? How come? What did I say? How come I get a violation? I didn't say anything wrong, right? It's okay lah. AMD you wanna take Okay, go ahead. You can go ahead now, bro. I will also take. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, done for me also. How to calculate the stop loss, huh? Uh, you done that lesson, Roderick? Have you done that lesson? I think and good run, maybe going higher. I blow 100k from Tesla call. Wow, nice. 100k from Tesla call. Okay. Roderick, you remember how to count? If you don't, you can let me know. I send inside the group for you. Wow, delicious. How what you do, man? What kind of Tesla car did you buy? How come you blow 100k? If 100k is 1% 2% of your account, I think it's okay, huh? But if it's a huge amount, then I mean, like, I know how to count how many position to buy, but I don't know how to. Okay, give me a moment. I send it to you. Right? How come like that, huh? Okay, I think I use my phone to send it to you. Maybe will be a little bit easier. Recently, my trading view from my phone is a little bit weird though. It doesn't like link to my this current chart like all the time. It keeps changing and changing. I'm actually not too sure what happens though. Yeah, I think I need to buy one more monitor already. Maybe tomorrow I go and order or something. Okay, I screenshot this to you, huh? One moment. Hmm. Okay, we go back to AMD for a while. What's the uh okay, Roderick, I sent it inside the group already. You can have a look. Okay? Hey, no problem, no problem. Okay, near 0 DTE that kill my premium when Elon Musk Trump issue. Okay, understood. So if by then you actually book your profit before that news event, you will make money, right? I think you will make money, I O N Q. Okay, let's see. IONQ. Let me see, the daily chart. Okay, I do think that this stock has potential to go up, but as of this current moment, I can't really tell, this area, because if I were to buy this trade, right, I think likely I have already bought it somewhere here. So at this current moment, likely I have already shifted to break even, or even shifting my stop loss all the way to this low already. So at this moment, right, I don't see a setup for long, but I will definitely look for long setups rather than going for short. Yes, the premium was up, but because news premium got killed. Okay, understood. Wow, that's really wasted though. 100,000. Yes, delicious. I'm running my own trading course. So I teach alert wave, I teach price action. I call it the price action strategy. So basically like the technical analysis part. Then after that, I also teach smart money concepts. So 3 strategy in one course. So I touch on everything from day trading to swing trading, position trading, and then I also teach you how to do long-term investments. Okay, currently I have how many students? 5 students already. Okay, so if you want to join, let me know. For the first 15, there's some discount, but then all the way until this Friday only. And this Friday, I will stop it already. Hey, Apple, did I get stop out or not? Let me see. Did my stop loss get triggered for Apple? Apple also triggered liao. Okay, I need to update for Apple. $210. Apple, we don't left with a lot of position. Yeah, we only left with 40%, so alright. Smart money is like market rotation, if you ask about market rotation, I think likely I use alert wave to teach. Yeah, because alert wave, I will teach you how to spot like top and bottoms, when the trend will start. You can identify a change of trend earlier than most people. And then you also can identify a top much more earlier as well. Yeah, later on I will go and maybe post. I'll go and see. I'll go and listen to that video, see any sensitive information. If don't have, maybe I will post one video regarding this. That's why I shift my stop loss really tight, because I'm expecting a larger pullback. Okay, the smart money that I teach, right, is something like you know like the fair value gaps, order blocks, liquidity sweep, change of character, market structure shift, things like that. break of structure and everything. I think it has been quite popular recently. When I first started using it, I think it's something nobody knows. And way back then, they don't even call the smart money concepts. Then after that, a while later, there's a lot of new names coming up and everything. Do you think Tesla will go back to the 300s this week? Huh? I think possible. Right now it's already 299, right? So going to 300, no problem. A little bit more only 300. Tesla, I do think that for now I will leave it because I'm not very, very confident in what it's going to do. I think a little bit of relief rally is okay. If not, I see an impulse going up, then I will decide whether I want to buy or not. But as of right now, right, I do think that Tesla has a chance of coming to about $250. I'm stationing here at about 250. So if Tesla comes to about 270, I might sell one put option. So to collect premium, then I will, try to buy at about $250. Okay, Braveheart, you need to sign the what there's like this agreement, this declaration or this uh okay, whenever you want to maybe let's say you want to trade penny stocks or something, right? I think you need to contact your broker because long time ago I have a lot of like instruments being locked, I cannot trade. But then I contact them, then they send me certain document, ask me to read through, ask me whether you got how many years of experience and everything. Then that's when right, you can start to buy already. I think Momo also can buy. I think shouldn't be much of an issue. You just need to sign that declaration. So decorate like maybe you have experience in trading penny stocks in this and that instrument. You just take everything yes lah. Then can now. Yeah, because a lot of people when they first open up a brokerage account, I believe most people, when they ask you whether you got any accounting background, finance background, everyone will definitely put no, right? So when you put no, they restrict quite a lot of instruments for you to trade. So everything you have to put yes. But you also don't be like too 夸张 that kind, put everything yes, a little bit here and there, you just put no lah. Like me, I don't trade futures, then I just put no for futures. Okay, guys. I go and take some water. I will be right back, okay? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Okay, okay, CYBL going up and you come by, huh? Okay. Yeah, you need to do the decoration first. Without that decoration, I think they won't allow you to buy. Uh, can. I will reply to you. Let me see what you say. Uh, how much it is? Okay, can. Roderick, later I send you a proper one, okay? Yes, Roderick, nice. This one, the next one for you to look at, huh? Microsoft, I think you know how to take that one. Then, actually, actually, I just saw Meta again. Uh, I'm still thinking, Meta, I will wait for a little bit. Maybe I will get in again. But Microsoft, you can go and take a look, okay? From there, you study. Then after that, it should be quite a good trade. Oh, you connecting to customer service. This timing still can connect. Are they open? Yes, AMD definitely a good one. My computer is like laggy to the max. What happened to my computer again? Is it because I went to Discord again? Let me refresh. Oh, they are open this timing. Okay. Okay, the B. One moment. Let me refresh my computer a little bit. How come recently it starts to lag again? It was good for quite a while though. Then these few days it starts to lag again. Baba. Okay, let's say AMD we already hit 1%. Do we move stop loss or not? Okay, Roderick, usually I like to move when it's our risk to reward ratio is at least about 1 is to 1 point something. That's the minimum that kind. Braveheart, my computer is very powerful already. I have like, I think the latest specs and everything. You know, it's when I live stream to TikTok, then this will happen. But when I live stream to YouTube alone only, no issue at all. Because TikTok take up a lot of resources. I have a super high-end computer that kind of really high-end. The CPU itself, I think everything add together is 11 or 12,000. Like super high-end that kind. But it still lags high. Okay, regarding the question on Baba, right? I took a Baba trade already. I do think that likely it might has already bottom, so I took it. Thoughts on CC? CC. Yeah, I also don't know why lag until like that. Okay, maybe I think it's because the refresh rate. Maybe also partly I went to do some research. They say that the refresh rate for my computer monitor is different because the main one, the refresh rate is 240 hertz. The other one I think is 165. That's why I want to buy one more monitor. I want to buy the same one that I'm using right now. Because initially I only got one monitor, so the second monitor, I keep it already, I don't use it anymore. It's because of live streaming, right? I need another screen, that's why I bring it out again. Yeah, my computer spec is extremely high, that kind, really high. I got no issue when I don't live stream or anything, right? It's super duper smooth. Like that time, I think there was one time I was banned on TikTok for one day, right, for live streaming. Then after when we go over to YouTube, everything was super smooth. Okay, no lag, no nothing. Okay, this CC, huh? CC. Okay, CC, I would definitely wait for consolidation. No consolidation, I won't buy. Uh, because this stock can be quite dangerous. Huh? It actually fulfilled my rule, and if it doesn't consolidate, I think there will be at least one more leg going down. ASML, ASML. Okay, sure, no problem. Yes, quite close to breakout already. Maybe something to consider. Yes, quite close to breaking out already. No. I use interactive broker to buy. Because I use a cash account to buy. I don't want to touch my margin account. I use interactive broker. Oh, Momo cannot buy. Why? Let me see. Yeah, because whenever I do long-term investment, I will always use another broker. Momo is purely for me to do trading only. CYBL, right? CYBL. Let me see, huh? Oh, my Momo also cannot. They say place ordered fail. The product is not available to trade, or your account does not have the required trading permission. I also cannot trade this. Yeah, maybe I need to ask them as well. Tesla, green bar liao. Okay. Did I answer the question? Oh, yes, I answered already. ASML. Okay, nice. Yeah, I will still wait lah. Tesla, I will still wait. I don't think for me, no rush. No rush. Even if I want to buy, I will still wait. M Marvel. Marvel. Not done. Definitely not done yet. Yeah, this trade you have to be even a little bit more cautious as of right now. Because you need to, right? The moment you look at this, likely you are in you should be, yeah, this is actually a very huge move down. So I'm not too sure whether the correction is done or not. So for Marvel, right, try to be a little bit more careful. Yeah, for me, I will wait for the breakout, I think. Unless you're so aggressive, you can go to the 15-minute stick the trade right now. Yeah, that's why you all have to come here more often, look at how I draw, all that, then you'll get a better understanding. Then things like we use RSI lah, ATR, you can just minimize them. You don't have to put all the indicators on the charts. Normally, I don't open up them unless it's needed, then I will go and take a look. Yeah, if you're aggressive arrow the rate, you can take now. Just place a stop loss here. CRM, CRM. Okay. This one also went off already. Definitely not for me. Okay, actually not bad, not bad. CRM is not bad. If you don't have any trade, something for you to consider. This one is not bad. Something that I will take. Yeah, this one looks good. Daily. Yeah, daily looks good. This one got a lot of room to move. You don't have to worry so much. You can at least target maybe about 310 around there. That's like the bare minimum. Interactive broker app is IBKR mobile. Yes, okay. Interactive broker, right? The app, there's actually two. You need to download the black and red colors, black and red color one. Don't download the white and red. White and red, there's a lot of functions not there, so it's quite difficult to use. Download the black and red. How to pronounce that bubble tea? Chagi. Hey, why is it not coming out? The last time I saw this stock, it went up like crazy, that kind of. Of course, there's desktop app. But for me, I always use mobile. Even if you ask me whether how to use the desktop app, right, I don't know how to use. I have never ever used a desktop app before. When I trade, I use my mobile phone. Whatever I buy and sell, I always use my mobile phone. Okay, who is this? You. Okay, you. This stock, right, try to be a little bit more careful because it just IPO'd not too long ago, right? So if we go up to the 4 hours, yeah, IPO in April, so about 3 months right now. Usually this type of stock, you'll see this, it will keep consolidate in this area for a very, very long time, maybe 6 months up to about 3 years before you start to see a really, really huge move to the upside. Okay, but along the way you see like all these small spike, it will be there, maybe every 3 months, 6 months or something, one spike, then after it starts to consolidate again. So just be careful for this stock. Oh, Roderick, CRM. Gem. Okay, here you don't see any bull flag or anything. The only one that you can see, I think, is on the 4-hour chart. I would say it's a break of structure. But then when you go into the Eller wave lesson, I will teach you about this part. Okay, this part, once you see it, you will know that this can be a good trade. JPM. Okay, Roderick, try to finish. The moment you finish, you will start to see everything that I see already. You will be amazed by it, really, really. The first time, when I found all this, I was shocked. Like I'm really, really shocked. Even until now, I still, still amazed by how beautifully it works every single time. Random, why you so slow? Okay, JPM is coming down. JP Morgan coming down. Wait, how about our Visa? Is our Visa coming down or not? Yeah, then Roderick can help out already, Go and help them, guide them. Okay, our Visa still the same. We go back to JP Morgan. Book too busy. Okay. You'll get there, okay? We have some, help here and there. You 100% will get there, trust me. JPM are coming to support already, random. So possible if you want, can wait until the trend line, then you see what you react, how's the reaction over there, and see whether you want to take the trade or not. Yeah, guys, really today I think there's nothing much in the market already. So, if you all want, you all can go and have a good rest, or you're going to watch the video, catch up with the videos and everything. Yesterday, after asking you a question, I haven't saved what you told me. I wonder if I still remember. I need to on my home computer first. Can, no problem. You got any questions, just send inside the group. Okay? Today, really nothing much. I want to see SPY. Okay, SPY will give me a clearer picture lah. Okay, SPY is holding up well. How about QQQ? QQQ also holding up well, but then how come all the magnificent are coming down? Let's take a look at this, okay? Oh, Oracle went up a lot. Tesla also up a lot. The healthcare stocks are strong, extremely strong for healthcare today. What happened? The three-wave correction, oh. Yeah, that's why I shift my stop loss up. Because we can always take the trade another time, no worries. We already got 1:3 out. 1:3, I think is a good trade. Just wait for a little bit more, you know. Okay, no worries. When you reach there, you will definitely see it. Yeah, the next tomorrow I'm going to make another video. I think I know what I want to make already. I will teach you on complex corrective structure, because there will be times things are going to get so complex that you don't even understand what's the wave structure, how is it going to develop and everything. I think one of the good one might be NVIDIA, if I'm not wrong. Just now I was scanning through, yeah, so I will teach you this whole part, how to read this whole structure. Then what else? I think I still have a few like that, but I can't remember. I will go and read my notes again, then I'll let you know. I'll make the video. My computer so super laggy today. Why is that so? Okay, maybe I close away this browser. Any tab for me to close here or not? Don't need. What do you think of gold shares? Oh, gold, Let's see. Oh, I don't think the correction is done. I don't think so. You just wait for gold to come down, break this low. Okay? After that, from there, maybe you get the upside. This one is the same as your regular gold, right? SXAUUSD, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it looks exactly... Okay, never mind, I use my own gold chart. This one, like, don't have much data though. Am I lagging or what? Okay, yep. Definitely lah. Can wait for it to break this low. Yeah, so gold is another complex corrective structure. Maybe I can use gold to explain also. Let me write down, Maybe I can use gold. Okay, can. I think silver also the same thing. Silver, I think the structure is also quite complex. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, silver might be a good one as well. Yeah, silver is actually quite a good one. Yeah, same thing for silver lah. Complex corrective structure. How about oil? Oil. Okay, oil is coming down again. Any nice area to buy oil now? I want to set alarm for oil. Okay, if oil goes to very, very low price, I want to buy some. Okay, I will set another alarm at $44. I already have one at 55. How about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin is definitely super beautiful. Okay, this trade, something to keep a lookout. If you get this, I think Bitcoin will move to the 120,000 zone. How about our call wave? Call wave, yep, not done yet. Not done yet. Any zones for us to take or not? Hmm. Nope, no zones over here. How about 1 hour? Yep, no zones. I will set another alarm again at 148.51. Oh, can see how you draw JPM. Can. JPM. Okay, I go to the 4 hours and show it to you. Yep. Normally, I like to go to maybe 4 hours daily or that I go and draw. Then I will slowly go down to the. I like to start from the higher time frame, then I slowly drop down to the lower time frame, and then I dive in, to analyze the chart. My 1,400% brother going in JPM. That's why I asked. Ah, okay, understood. Going into JPM, okay. I think can wait a little bit. I draw 281 as support. 281 as support. Uh, okay, 281 the support I don't think is very strong unless you are talking about the EMA 20. Possible. Okay. Then 281, let me see. Oh, okay. I think I know what already. I think you can draw about 280. 280, I think is fine. When the way I look at how you write my 1,400% brother, I cannot. I want to laugh already. You are really also very secretive. Okay. JPM, I think okay. But if me, I will wait. Okay, I don't mind getting in a little bit later, because JPM, right? You also need to look so many stocks, right? That today, although the market is not very strong, so even if we look at FinVis, right? Uh, you look at where's the financial. The financial, okay, the financial is down, but then JPM down a lot, which is sometimes is a little bit of a concern. So you can go and take a look whether any you know bad news regarding JPM or not. But so far as of right now, I don't see any lah. So yeah, maybe about the downgrading of the stocks rating, and that's it already. Yeah, so far no financial risk or anything, so that's it. Yeah, only that downgrade news. So you can definitely can wait for a little bit. Don't be, don't have to rush. Yes, random. I always likes to start on the higher time frame. So maybe you can look at some of my charts, like I try to find one for you. Maybe you can take a look at, NVIDIA. You can take a screenshot or something. If you want, I can screenshot this and send it into the group. I just screenshot this, I send inside the group. Copy image. And I show you some, how come never copy? Copy image. Okay. Okay, I send this. Maybe I can also send AMD. I think AMD I have some also. Yeah, AMD you can also. Okay, AMD I think because of the trend line, right? Okay, I send you on the 4-hour chart. I think the 4-hour chart is a little bit better. It's a bit cleaner. So you can go and take a look. Why I draw this, draw that, go and analyze. Don't understand, come and ask me, okay? If you need anything, I really just ask, don't need to paise. Treat me like your slave, okay? Because I'm here to really guide you, groom you, that 1 year plus, just ask me any questions. Time for me to pom pee. Pom pom. Time for you to pom pom. Okay, go. Yeah, the steepness of the trend lines, you need to depends on the volatility of the market at that moment also. Because when there's high volatility, normally your trend lines will look a little bit more steeper than back then when volatility is, at the normal range. How to join? Okay, I don't have a Telegram group, but I have a Discord group. Okay, so right now I'm actually recruiting students. Okay, to join my course. So if you want to join my course, right? Drop me a WhatsApp text. If you want my number, you can go to my TikTok profile. It's there. Okay, just drop me a text. I will send you a file. You go and read through. If you like, you can join in. Okay. Okay, Roderick. See you shortly. Yeah, today really slow. Slow day, man. And someone tomorrow is Wednesday, right? Yeah, tomorrow I think will be another slow day already. Thursday we got FOMC. Haha, RBLX coming back all the way already. Roderick, are you interested or not? This one looks like retest of the trend line. Then possible upside. My god. Oh, Roderick say he will go pom pom. Okay. I thought random go pom pom. Okay. I saw wrongly. So he's not here. CrowdStrike pulling back. Disney. Haha, Disney looks good. Do we have any news today or not? So far, nothing impactful. Yesterday ones was more impactful though, when they increased the tariff and everything. Today, things seems to be, slowing down a little bit. Oh, Tiger Broker move a lot today, guys. Tiger Broker. I think gone liao. Oh, nice. Four hours less. Okay. 4 hours less sleep. Okay. Understood. What can we take, huh? I still can buy a few more position. I want to max out my account. Come on, why so laggy? Oh, this Moderna. Fuyo, fire off. CCL. Nothing here. Visa definitely no. Really no. Visa, I'm a little bit skeptical right now. Yeah, Visa, I'm really skeptical about this trade, okay? I seriously think that you'll see it coming down all the way down here. So I have already moved my Visa to break even. No, to secure profits. Yeah, I closed away the tab now, huh? I need to open that tab again. Where is it? Where's my browsing tab? Okay, I need to see what price did I move to break even. I moved my stop loss to 353 already. So, yep, 353 is quite tight. So if Visa comes back and take me, I'll just secure the profit and move on. I don't think it gives me very high RR. Let me check, huh? Yeah, nothing fantastic. This one like max maybe almost 1:2. Like that's the maximum already. When it comes back to about 353 to take me out. Okay. Yeah, wanted to ask for stocks that have higher price, do you not risk 1% cause they require higher margin like Meta? Oh, I still do the same 1%. I don't care whether the stock is cheap or is expensive. I will still do 1% of my account. Yeah, so same thing like Meta, for example, Meta, we make it easy lah. We just make Meta. Let's say Meta right now is, let's say, $700. Okay, and we all know that Meta one day can move quite a lot lah. So for example, you put a stop loss of you put a stop loss at 680. Okay, 680. Then your stop loss distance is actually $20, right? $20. So if let's say you have a $10,000 account, you want to risk 1%, which is $100, right? So you use that $100, go and divide by this $20 stop loss distance. Then after that, you will be able to buy 5 shares of Meta. So Meta move every $20 that move in your favor, right? You will make 1% in your account. So if Meta move from 700 to 720, you make $100. And then when Meta move from 700 to let's say 760, your risk to reward ratio is 1:3, right? So you risk that $100, you will make $300. So I don't care whether how expensive is the stock or anything, I will still use back the same calculation. So your stop loss are typically like based on some percentage, like 1%. No, I have a way to calculate the stop loss. Random, you haven't reached there, right? Yeah, when you go there, it's a very, very systematic way. Very systematic way for you to, calculate your stop loss, where to set it and everything. I even show you a lot of some errors or some things that you need to watch out for, when you should take a break even, when you should take a loss, and some of the trade that actually performs very well, some that doesn't. I give you a few scenarios so you can be more prepared from there. Then after, when you come to Alert Wave got another set of profit taking levels. So the moment you come into Alert Wave, right, whatever that you learn in front, most likely you will only use the stop loss. Then after that, for the TP part, it will be a mixture already. Some people actually prefer, I think, using the Alert Wave method. Some prefer, taking some partial profits here and there along the way. So it can be a mixture. Yeah, Random, whenever you have time, can spend, a little bit more, go and watch them. Then after, you can have more and more questions. I think it will benefit you a lot. Hey, today computer super laggy. What happened? Did I open anything? I don't open anything, right? No extra program. Nothing. Lesson 8. Lesson 8 is at what? Let me see. Lesson 8. I think I can look from here. Right? Where's the tab? Let me find. Lesson 8. Lesson 8, you only at gaps. You still far away. You look over here. The calculating stop loss order is already lesson 19. 19 and 20. Then when you go to Alert Wave, is about lesson 25 already. 25 to about lesson 50, around there. There's a lot for you to learn on Alert Wave. I'm still adding video in. Meta, because I think more or less, the market is pretty much going to go into a larger correction soon. So for Meta itself, right, although it's a trend line, but I do think Meta got one more leg down. And this leg down, I have no idea where it will go to. Okay, because just now I was trying to identify. Let me take a look again. Yeah, I think possible minimally coming to about 705. I'm not going to take the risk all the way there. Although our stop loss is at 705. So just now, you know, we lost less than like maybe 0.2% of our account. I just take the loss already. Because coming to 705, we are going to take the full loss though. So these are the times where, I think I show you example like that where, when you see structure change, a change in structure or anything, right, you need to get out of the trade first. Even if it's a small loss, small win, or even break even, just take it first. Yeah, don't wait anymore. The more you wait, the worse it can get. Yeah, I think if I'm not wrong, when you go to right at the stop loss TP lessons and everything, you have already start learning that. Yeah, the stop loss and TP lesson, I think I show you a lot of examples. Really a lot. That's like the most basic thing. Then after that, when you come into alert wave, you can modify it a little to your own liking. Okay, just now someone said Intel can reach about $40, right? I also think that Intel can reach $40. But then is it worth it to hold all the way there? Now, let me see. $40. I want to change this color. $40. I bought at $19. $20, right? I think $20 all the way until $40. Okay, 100% ROI. Okay, well, not bad, not bad. The higher time frame, the structure is nice. Okay, Intel, I will hold it for a little bit first, then we see how it goes. Apple. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. I need to answer a phone call. One moment, one moment. Okay, I'm back again. Okay, Meta you got out because book trend line looks like retesting. Yes, Meta looks like it's retesting. Random, what you say is correct, but then when you know about wave structure, right, you won't say that already. 100% trust me. Random, you will not say that Meta is retesting. You will say that Meta is heading for likely a bigger correction. Raymond, you hear or not? You still remember alert wave? I don't know whether he's here or not. Huh? Last time I taught him a bit about alert wave. Which is my cold water. Guys, you have any questions or not? Huh? Today market like so super slow. I see it already. I also want to sleep. Like no action. Okay, Bitcoin is okay. I'm actually quite interested in MSTR again. Let me see. This is coin. How come? MSTR 4 hours. 4 hours. Yup, something to keep a lookout. I will set an alarm somewhere here. Apple pulling back a little bit. Okay, Apple we are out already, so nothing to worry. Visa, how about Disney? I think I saw my alarm for Disney got triggered, so I'm going to take a look at Disney. Okay, Disney I will still hold. Did I get stop out or not? 122 already. 122. Oh no, almost there. I placed my stop at 121.5. Okay, not much room for it to breathe anymore. CRM. Okay, pulling back a little bit. How about It's been a while since I last traded let's see the 4 hours. The daily not done yet. Yeah, I'm definitely need to wait, I think at least for a few more days to maybe a week before I will revisit again. They'll know. Okay, I remember MRK, anything or not? MRK. Is it gone? Soon. This trade looks good. MRK. Okay, no point setting a alert. I'll just set one over here. Okay, I need to delete some of my alerts so that when MRK got triggered, I can go and take a look. Let's see some of the new stocks that everyone recommended to me. HCTI, currently no setup for me. Okay, CYBL I took already, nothing over here. SRM, SRM. Call with nothing also, need to wait. BBAI, coming back to trend line to retest possible. ULTA, no setups. AMTM, let's see this 4 hours. How about weekly? Weekly, okay. Daily IPO last year September. Okay guys, this trade facing resistance as of right now. 4 hours, nothing. 1 hour, nothing. I will delete this. I don't need this anymore. Okay, nothing here. CORZ. Okay, coming into the zone again. Nothing here. EXC, nothing. This is pretty much useless. Can delete. BWXT. Okay, finally looks like it's going to pull back a little bit. Let's see. Nope. MVST. How about the daily? Daily. Okay, pulling back, not bad, not bad. Okay, IPO long time ago, about 6 years as of right now. 4 hours. Okay, daily. This is huge though. 4 hours. Okay, this stock I will set an alarm at about $2.90. After that, wait for it to come to that zone. Daily, NNE. Okay, weekly, nothing for me. Daily, 4 hours. 4 hours looks like it's going to go down more than up though. 1 hour, yep, definitely looks like it's coming down more than up. Circles. Circles, no clear trend as of this current moment. UMAC, I think this one we can skip. KTOS. Okay, let's go to the daily first. Okay, this KTOS looks quite good, huh? This one is good. This is nice. Monthly chart. Weekly. Okay, it bottom around this area in 2016. After that, it starts to move up. The daily 1 hour. Okay, I will set the alarm for KTOS at 41.8. Then I will move on. SMR. Nope, nothing here. CLOV. The daily chart. How about daily? Where's my trend line? Oh. One hour. Okay, CLOV something to keep a lookout for. Maybe next week will be ready by then. Likely, I think next week. CELH. Celsius. Weekly. Monthly. Four hours, 1 hour. Yeah, CELH Celsius is actually not too bad. Something for you to keep on your watch list. Yep, this is not bad. Okay, we'll move on. Cat. Pass. Okay lah, most of the newer stocks I have already scanned through. Nothing for me there. I've already, set all the alarms and just waiting for it to be triggered. I want to look at the Hang Seng Index. Okay, not bad, not bad. Hang Seng Index. Definitely going up. So we can take a look at some China stocks. How about NEO? What is NEO doing? NEO, still the same old place. My god. LI. Okay, never move by 2. Today spike up a little bit and that's it already. Oh, Richard, I use TradingView. I think Mumu Mumu, I don't even know whether they can set any alarms or not. But I use TradingView. Because TradingView, it will send a mobile notification directly to your phone. Then at the same time, you also will receive emails. So usually I just set on TradingView. Then once it's triggered already, then I come back and take a look again. Richard, do you use TradingView? Or you use your own broker platform? Okay, JD not bad. Went up quite a lot today. Yes, Roderick. Just now I thought I thought random went to shower. Then I was talking to you about RBLX. Okay, yep, it dropped like crazy. Oh, Philip and Momo. Okay. I don't know where to set the alarm for Momo though. Yeah, I have not done that. I've been using TradingView for many years already, so I'm quite used to it. So I will set everything here. But the downside is that TradingView, you need to pay money. Okay, but one very good thing about TradingView is that you can set alerts on trend lines. Okay, so I like to take those breakout trades. So I just set alerts on them. Then after that, you can set add alerts on trend lines. But I think Mumu and Philip cannot, right? Okay, we can take a look at RBLX. Yeah, to be honest with you, why I use TradingView, right? is because of the alert system only. The alert system and the indicators are actually quite good. They are so much better than I think those given by the brokers, and there's a lot of configuration. You can change the settings. You know, if you have some robots or something that you want people to build it for you, you can also do it. Okay, Roderick, this one looks like maybe come back retest, retest the trend line and starts to go again. But I'm scared, I don't dare to take RBXL. I'll wait for a little bit, this area. Yes, correct. Roderick, you will wait for some confirmation. Like how you wait for confirmation on support and resistance. If you do see one, you can try to, take. Hello TikTok. Momo can set alerts on trend lines or not? I don't think so, right? You cannot set alerts on trend lines. Yes, on price can. A lot of broker on price can, but cannot set on trend lines. I want to set on trend lines. No, whenever it breaks a major resistance or even a breakout trades or that, yeah, I want to be triggered by then. Because once it break out of the trend line or something, I will come back and see, then I can go and prepare to take the trade. I have like 1 to 2 hours for me to prepare. But of course, if you actually, you also don't need trading view function. I tell you what you can do. This is like to save money, okay? So for example, you want to, you want to see the price coming out of the trend line. Then what you can do, you just aga, when price going to touch that trend line area, let's say for example about 172.6 around there, you just set the price alert. It's exactly the same as you're setting alerts on trend lines. Okay? But me, I'm lazy, so I just pay for trading view. Then after that, give me the functions that I want. TikTok, I can only say for Visa, right? You try to be a little bit more careful. I don't really like the structure, but if you are up for the risk, go ahead. I think you are taking for the retest of the trend line, right? Retest of this trend line. I think you're trying to take a trade around here. Just be a little bit more careful because it's moving a little bit too slow for my liking. Because after I entered, right, this has been there for like how long already? About 10 days or so. It didn't really move very far though. Yeah, so maybe we might see one more leg going down. Gone hit. Rode the rig. Are you interested in JPM or not? Okay, I would advise, it was going to hit EMA, trend lines and everything, right? Can wait for a little bit, I think. Wait for a little bit more. Because you can see right now, market no more momentum already. It's like totally flat, not moving a lot. Even if we go back to SPY, okay? SPY also doesn't look, quite optimistic though. Yes, it's slowing down already. He go shower, but then he bring his spoon together. Yeah, roll the rig, wait for confirmation, then you buy. If you follow the rules that I give you, I can tell you your win rate is about 60 to 70%, around there. Except for me myself, sometimes I'm lazy to wait, then I just enter lah. A lot of times you will start to see, okay, the trades that I send in, you will be thinking like, you didn't even fulfill rule, how come you take the trade? You'll see that very soon. But if you want to be on the safer side, just wait for the confirmation. Even with all the confirmation, easily your risk to reward usually it's about 1:3 and above. I rarely take trades that, I close at 1:2, 1:1. Quite rare lah, unless, the market like no strength already, then okay lah, 1:1, 1:2, I take off the whole trade. Oh, you entered MSTR yesterday, TikTok. I think MSTR is actually not bad. I actually like it. I'm also looking to enter, but I'm waiting for confirmation. Okay guys, today we live stream to 12 a.m. lah. I'm also a bit tired today. I went to do too much things and then I make videos and everything. I'm like a bit, half dead already. You entered at 396. Okay, good price. I think not bad. 396 if you entered yesterday. Huh? Yesterday? Oh, okay. I think it's not bad. I think MSTR is not bad. Because I think that Bitcoin is going to break out quite soon. Then after that, you should see Bitcoin going to about the 120,000 range. Yeah, rode the rig for RBLX, right? I would say this trade, even if it comes back and retest the trend line here, just be more careful. This one looks like, the what they call it, what's that called, bull trap. Is it bull trap? Yes, I think it's called a bull trap. Yeah, seriously, it looks like a bull trap to me. Any good trades? I took AMD and Baba. What is a bull trap? Let me show you. Try to find for you one example. Where can we find one? This one is one of the good one. So something like that, So the moment it break the previous high, what did it do? It didn't go much after it starts to dump like crazy. So I think likely RBLX also the same thing. What did I press again? Yeah, so RBXL looks like something, break the high a little bit. After that, it starts to dump. So this is a bull trap. Bull trap, I don't think there's any ways for you to identify them, like any rules or guidelines for you to try to identify when it will top and everything. But through experience, more or less you can tell this might be a bull trap. I think it's called a bull trap, but if not, it's a bear trap. Bull trap, right? Bear trap, bull trap. I think it's a bull trap because over here people are buying RBLX to the upside. So likely, they're trying to trap all the buyers. Then after that, come down, take all of them out. How about market like all slowly turning red? Yes, no, there's not much momentum right now, so market is pretty much quite flat, not going anywhere. I think the next, volatility, the next time that it will start to move, maybe about 1 a.m., 1 plus, around there. So for now, everything is super duper slow. But then consider good already. I think we should be, thankful even with all the tariff news and everything, the market not reacting very badly. Okay, it's not like the first time where Donald Trump announced the sweeping tariff and everything, the market dumped like crazy. I think we should be thankful already. Yeah, you look at yesterday, if you look back at yesterday data again, for SPY, well, after it announced that thing, I think somewhere here. Okay, so the speech started around this red color candle. So you see, this red color candle is started here. Okay, and then it only drops down like how much? Drop like less than 1% for SPY, and right now it's already recovering about 50% already. So unlike previously back then was super crazy though. Where is it? Yeah, I remember exactly this part. Look at this. The day he announced the sweeping tariff, the market went up top here. I think it dropped to somewhere around here. Is it? I think we go up to the 4 hours or daily might be more accurate. Okay, because I'm on the extended trading hours, so I can't really see. But then we can go to this part. Yeah, imagine over here, after he announced the sweeping tariff, right, the next day it dropped this much though. The market dropped 5.41%. And this time around, we only dropped less than 1%. I think that is super fantastic already. Nothing can beat this anymore. Yeah, there's also some more like new news coming in. So some of them they say, the deadline is on the 1st of August. What do we have? Yeah, nothing impactful though. Yeah, even Japan is also trying to uh Japan is also trying to negotiate with the US, but what the Fitch ratings say, the tariff war result in volatility in trade flows and exchange rates. Have to read more about the Fitch ratings news. Yeah, so far nothing impactful. We can take a look at another one. Another one, what the update? Yeah, so far also doesn't look like anything impactful. Yep, nothing. Okay. Oh, Rotary Apple 4 hours. Is that a valid bull flag? 4 hours, Apple. Uh, where do you see that bull flag? Roderick, can you actually draw for me? At the back, is it too short? Roderick, you want to send your chart inside the group? Then after I take a look for you. No worries, no worries. Yeah, you'll be wrong a lot of times. That's how you learn. Okay, this part. Wait, this is interesting. Wait, maybe I found something to teach you guys already. One moment, let me see. Make D4C. Okay, let me drop down to the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes I can't tell. How about 30? Oh, okay, you sent inside already. Let me see. Uh, why your Apple? Okay, your Apple data is there. No, no. Okay, firstly, Roderick, you did one mistake already. What's the first mistake? You cut through the weeks. Okay, you cannot cut through the weeks. These are all factual data. You see? You need the rules and the guidelines. Every time think about the rules and the guidelines, right? Is there to safeguard you from making maybe stupid mistakes or amateur mistakes. Oh, this is nice. Okay, okay, can this one fulfill criteria already? I will use this to teach you guys something. Not bad. Oh, I didn't realize it though. Apple has one. Okay, Apple has a ending diagonal here. Okay, it's a type of wave structure. It's called the ending diagonal. If without the wick, does it still count? Without the wick, uh, but there's wick already, right? How to without the wick, like? Yeah, the wick is there already. Okay, Roderick, normally when you see how I look at charts, right? A lot of times you will see me trying to look at about the past 1 to 3 months of data. That's like the minimum. I like to look at charts something like this, okay? Something like that. So if you look at my chart, so today our date is on the 8th of July, and then all the way until about 17th of May. So I have about 2.5 months of data here. I like to zoom, make everything very, very small. Because why? Because you haven't reached alert wave lesson, right? The moment when you reach alert wave lesson, try to look like that, look it in this way. So you're looking at wave structures. You're not purely looking at price action. You're not purely looking at candlesticks already. You start to see market move in wave. So maybe a 3 wave or a 5 wave, something like that. That's why I like to always zoom out my chart. A lot of times you see me, sometimes I zoom my chart all the way until like this type, right? You cannot even see the candlestick pattern because I don't need to understand the candlestick pattern. I'm actually looking at wave structures. Right, so even on the 1 hour chart, you see I can squeeze all the way until I'm looking at about 6 to 7 months of data right now. And sometimes even I will do like all the way like that. Look at almost about 1 year of data even on the hourly chart. Yep. You need to understand, you come here, you are going to you need to become a wave trader, not a price action trader. Although sometimes I zoom in like that because because we have like different strategies. The price action strategy, right? You have to look at maybe about 1 month to 3 months of data. That's like the maximum. If you go into alert wave, you look at 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years of data, 5 years of data. Nothing wrong, because that one is how you look at wave structures. But then when you go into SMC again, you start to zoom in again because you are going to look at all your order blocks, liquidity sweep, your fair value gaps, your MSS, market structure shift, and everything. BUS. So you are going to zoom in again. So different times you'll see me zooming in and out of the chart is because I'm using different analysis to identify certain things. How? Good. Okay, very good. Yeah, the more you ask, the more you will learn. Because I want to help you to change the way how you look at charts, how wave structures actually develops, and from there, right, you have a very high probability you know what the market is actually going to do next. Okay, it will. Okay, when you will really see the difference is when the market starts to tank all that. When it starts to tank, you'll see a lot of people, maybe they are panicking and everything. You will start to short the market according to wave structures. For now, I don't think we have much opportunity to short, but someday I think it will definitely come. I would say okay. It all depends. If we are not in a crisis, I would say that okay. If we are not in a crisis, I think that shorting is better. But then when we are in a crisis, right, like a bit like the tariff period, that type, using a put option will be safer. Like COVID period also will be safer. But then when you go to like 2022 period, 2022 is a bear market, but then there's no crisis, there's nothing, no recession and everything. So if we go back to the 2022 period here, so you can look right 2022 I can tell you is extremely difficult to trade, really extremely difficult. This area I got whipped up and down like like crazy that kind, but no matter how that year still profitable, but I can't remember how much already. Periods like that, right, without a crisis, it's actually easier for you to trade like just shorting, buying of stocks or shorting of the stocks. But of course, over here there was one period also quite volatile. This period is a little bit like our tariff. What you see in tariff period, where you see consecutive gapping down for don't know like 1 week plus. Yeah, this area. Let me zoom in for you. Yep, here. This one need to flip the chart upside down. Then after that, you look as if it's going up, is it? Yeah, Roderick, I can tell after you learn about Elevate, come back to this 2022 period, go and test whatever you have learned. You will see the beauty of it. Okay, COVID, you don't go and test. COVID, I think this part is... this part, I also have no idea how to trade though. This area, the COVID period, suddenly it just tanked. It's extremely difficult to trade because every single day it just gap down. Gap down like every day. You see from here, gap. The next day, gap down. This day still okay, gap up a little bit, okay? And then here, this one also gap up a little bit. After that, you gap down again. Then you gap down again. Then this part, still alright. After that, what happens? You gap down. You gap down. Gap down. Hey, no, wrong. This one, okay, here, gap down. Okay? Then this one, gap up. After that, gap down again. Throughout this entire 1 month, right, I think maybe 20 over plus days are all gapping down. I think maybe around 20 days or something is all gapping down. So this one lasted for how long? This one lasted for 33 days. So out of the 33 days, I think plus minus maybe 20 days are all gapping down. It's crazy that kind. Oh yes, about the COVID period, right? You also can go and back test. This period will be good for you to go and learn. Why you learn all this is because you can prepare. You can prepare when you see a crisis, you know what to do. So you learn about VIX already, right? So you can also use VIX. Go and look at all these areas. Then what else, huh? Uh, yeah, when you come into Eller wave, right, you will also use wave theory to actually help you to identify this. But I think SMC doesn't work over here. Yep, SMC, the only thing that works, right, is called the liquidity sweep, and that's it. No. It's not a once in a lifetime thing, huh? There will be many times. I think every 10 years or something, we got some sort of funny type of lung virus lah. You can go and do a little bit of research on this. Yes, I think every 10 years or something. Now better hold more cash in portfolio. Market quite uncertain. Uncertain until tariff kicks in. Okay, that's the thing, huh? Yes, there's a little bit of uncertainty, but then I feel that the uncertainty is when Donald Trump or the Trump administration, right, they try to flip prata. That's the uncertainty. But then the percentage, like let's say for example, how much is being, how much percentage is affected for each individual country, right? I think that part is already priced in already. Since yesterday, once they announced, this country, that country, their tariff got increased by this amount and the amount, investors are taking it really, really well. Why? Because yesterday when Donald Trump made his speech, it was somewhere around here. So the market only went down 0.95%. After that, today, it recovered about 50% already. So you can see there's not much of an impact. And you need to understand, the stock market is future looking. So with all the percentage in place already, all the investors already know that, okay, I understand tariff is going to be increased. Maybe we will have inflation is going to be a little bit higher and everything. So everyone has already accepted it. But the volatility or the uncertainty really comes in is when Trump administration, they do something funny. Okay, they suddenly flip prata, change their mind, they want to do this and that, don't care about negotiation and everything, they just implement this tariff. Maybe the market will get affected a little bit. But of course, with all this tariff coming in and everything, give it another 6 months to about 2 years, the market might feel the effect. And when we feel the effect, possible we might go into a recession or a crisis. And that's when, guys, start to take loan, okay? Go on DCA. After that, you wait about 1 year to about 3 years, likely you'll come out as a winner. Okay, each crisis, as long as you are quite prepared for it, likely you'll make quite good money from it. That's why I always say don't backhold, any stocks. Even for Warren Buffett, can go and research on Warren Buffett. He himself, right? He doesn't even hold stocks. Most of the time, he doesn't hold stocks for more than 2 years. Within 2 years, he already sold it off. Market low, then buy in more, but yes, correct. There will be signs, the market going to bottom and everything. Sometimes they do like QE, quantitative easing. Sometimes they decrease interest rate. All are the little signs that the market might start to cool down in a recession. Then after that, you can start buying in already. Okay, we can go and do a little bit of this Perplexity AI. How do you learn options? I went to YouTube to learn options. Then after that, the rest I test by myself. Okay, if you're someone who will trade options, right, because of the time decay, if you can learn Elevate, I tell you guys, your option strategy will up another level. Why up another level? Because you start to understand how long each correction takes. Okay, and that's when and if you use options, you can time it quite well, and you'll make a lot of money from options. Except that I'm not very good with selling of options, buying of options. I'm still okay. A lot of things I test for minimally 1 to 2 years around there, like alert wave. I spent 2 whole years to test for it. So that's how I identify even a new structure that you won't find it anywhere. Huh? You go to alertwave.com, you go to alertwaveforecast.com, you go and go to YouTube, go and read about alert wave and everything. You will never ever find that structure. I can guarantee you that. Okay, I want to type something. Oh, eh, uh, what's the average time? What's the average what, huh? What's the average period for each pandemic? Pandemic, how to spell? Did I spell it correctly? No, I typed wrongly. What's the average pandemic? What's the average period for each pandemic? Did I type it wrongly? I also don't know. It's okay lah. We just look over here. Okay, so 2025 we have one. I thought we got the N1. The what's that called? Oh, I think I remember wrongly. So you can see the periods are all quite far away. They are not very very close. That kind. Yeah, we won't have one for don't know how long already. H1N1. Is that also a pandemic? I think so, right? H1N1. What's the average period between each pandemic, not for each pandemic? Or widespread virus. I know. I think I put the prompt wrongly. Okay, we must ask. Why that affect the US stock market? Okay, this is the most important to us. That's for the chicken. Then SARS. Yes, we have a lot, right? We have H1N1, SARS, and everything. How come it's not, now we have already, guys. Can you see? Okay, only the last two one is 10 years apart. The rest is not 10 years anymore. Yeah, so H1N1, SARS. SARS and H1N1, is it the same or not? I'm not sure though. Average period is 25 years. By the time 25 years, I lao kok already though. I still got another 20 years to go. By the time I'm 50 years old already. I got no time to play with all this pandemic anymore. Okay, guys. Any last question? If not, we can end the live stream already. Today market is very slow. Nothing much to do over here. TikTok just enter MSTR again. Oh, nice. Yes, nothing much to buy today also. Wow, TikTok, you aggressive, huh? Yesterday you entered one, today entered one. Okay. Only AMD. Okay, can. No worries. Yeah, we just be careful, more on the cautious side than being aggressive as of right now. We have already made some good profits already, so you know, market also went up a lot. Then possible, we might, the market might enter into a correction mode, so just be more careful on that part. Road 2.8 plus already, yeah, that's why I tell you, wait, okay, don't catch the falling knife, wait for the trend line. Okay guys, I'm also very tired today. I am like half dead already. I think I'm going to, eat a little bit and then I'm going to sleep already. Tonight we'll take a early break. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow, okay? See you guys. Thank you for coming. See you. Good night. Bye bye. Take care. Okay? Stay safe.